Are you looking for an earbuds that stand out in the crowd? Skullcandy Dime Evo brings solid style and solid sound. ये earbuds उन लोगों के लिए है जो हटके डिजाइन और परफॉर्मेंस दोनों ही चाहते हैं. These earbuds carry a price tag of rupees 4,999 on Amazon, and some of its biggest highlights include a uniquely designed case, a sweat-resistant build, and 36 hours of promised battery life, जो कि इस earbuds को बनाता है एक strong contender in this price segment. Feature number 1: Pop and Lock Case Design. The Dime Evo's case features a magnetic pop and lock lid that stands out in the crowd. It fits easily in the pocket and can be clipped to a backpack, keyring, or even your pants. These earbuds are available in vibrant colors. The case can be clicked to open or close with a satisfying snap that made us fiddle with it for a bit. इस केस का यूनिक स्टाइल इस earbuds को बनाता है सबसे अलग. Feature number 2: 36 hours of battery and rapid charging. Skullcandy promises 8 hours of playback time for these earbuds every time they are fully charged. The case also adds 28 more hours on the go. एक बार फुल चार्ज के बाद वीकेंड ट्रिप के लिए बैटरी का टेंशन बिल्कुल खत्म. और अगर आप जल्दी में हो आपको और इस earbuds में चार्ज नहीं है, a quick 10-minute charge will give them 2 hours of playback. Feature number 3: Sweat and water resistant. This means that these earbuds will keep playing whether you are at gym or caught in a drizzle, workout routine हो या फिर unexpected weather. आपका म्यूजिक रहेगा always uninterrupted. Feature number 4: Multiple pairing and solo mode. For switching between calls and music, you can connect the Dime Evo to 2 devices at once. You can also use either buds in solo mode for hands-free calls or being aware of your delivery while listening to a podcast. Feature number 5: Easy pairing and custom EQ. Skullcandy Dime Evo supports instant pairing with devices via Swift Pair and Google Fast Pair. You can also tweak the audio settings of these earbuds from Skullcandy's free EQ app to match your preference. इससे आप बेस, मिड और ट्रेबल को अपने हिसाब से ट्यून करके ऑडियो एक्सपीरियंस को पर्सनलाइज भी कर सकते हो. तो ये थे Skullcandy Dime Evo के टॉप 5 फीचर्स: हटके डिजाइन, लॉन्ग बैटरी एंड रिलायबल परफॉर्मेंस. आपको कौन सा फीचर सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आया हमें कमेंट करके बताइए. अब मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. टिल देन, स्टे टेकी.